Say goodbye to manual lawn mowing with the Goat Bot Unicut H1 robotic lawnmower, the smart way to take care of your lawn. This robot does all the hard work for you. It maps out your lawn and mows with precision, avoiding obstacles and edges for a perfect trim every time. With a powerful lithium battery, it runs for hours, then automatically returns to its charging station when done. No need to worry about recharging it yourself. It's also super quiet, so you can let it mow while you relax, even in the early morning or late evening. And don't let the weather stop you, the Goat Bot Unicut H1 is built to mow rain or shine. Set it, forget it, and enjoy a perfectly mowed lawn every time. The Goat Bot Unicut H1 is the future of lawn care. Don't just take our word for it, customers are loving it. One user says, "I've never had my lawn look this good with so little effort." The Goat Bot is a game changer. Another raves, "It works great even in the rain, and I don't have to worry about my noisy mower waking up the neighbors." Click the link below the video to easily take care of your lawn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching.